TikTok is by far one of the most used apps by teenagers to this date in 2021. But what if I told you you're able to take that scrolling addiction that I know you have and turn it into a money-making machine? With TikTok, you have the opportunity to reach hundreds of thousands of people's eyes just by the use of one video. So why not take advantage of that? And take what I'm saying seriously, because as someone who grew up in the 21st century with technology, with social media, I have a really good idea of how to do what most people aren't with TikTok and turn it into a money-making machine. Now, don't go thinking this is a get-rich-quick scheme, because I promise you it's not. But with the right dedication, you can start making money and enjoy doing it. Now, there's actually many different ways to make money on TikTok, so I'm going to go over 3 and sort of dive into 2. Number 1 is a creator fund, and this is basically where TikTok pays you for making content depending on how many views you get. But this isn't as easy as it sounds. There's quite a high barrier to entry. First, you do have to be 18. Secondly, you only get paid about 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So even if you've got about 500,000 views on a video, which isn't the most likely thing in the world, you would only get paid around $20, which is like £15 give or take. But obviously, if you're posting daily and you're gaining traction, those views will start to add up. Obviously, not everyone's perfect for the creator funders. It's very time consuming and it's sort of tailored for different people that really want to stick with it and grow that specific way. But when you look at Addison Rae getting an average of 30 million views per video, getting paid over $1,000 per video doesn't seem like the worst thing in the world. And when she's posting 5 videos a day, she can make upwards of $8,000 a day just for posting 15-second videos of her dancing. Now, the second way you can make money through TikTok without being Addison Rae is for affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what it is, you're essentially promoting a company's product that isn't yours and you get paid for doing so. So the new Nike jumper's just come out and you've reached out to Nike and you signed up to be an affiliate. Now you have a special link to that Nike jumper that is just tailored to you. You put that out through your socials telling people why they should buy this Nike jumper. And if someone bought the Nike jumper through the link that you provide, you get paid. So you're essentially advertising for the company, and if your ads are good and it gets people to buy the product, then you get a commission, which is a percentage of the sale. Now, if you're thinking, oh, I have to be an influencer to do this is where you're wrong. Everyone starts with 0 followers, and it's important to pick a specific niche, whether it be reading, finance, swimming, sports, makeup, whatever it is. Just pick one, but pick one that you're passionate about and you like. So if you're talking about these books that you've read, trying to get someone to buy a specific book, you actually enjoy doing it. Same thing with makeup. If you're trying to make someone buy this makeup and you're trying it on yourself and giving the reviews on it why it's so good, you want to enjoy doing it. And then you say in the video, oi, if you want to go check out this Kindle that's helping me read these books that I'm talking about, then go to the link in my bio to go buy it. Boom, you've made a percentage of that Kindle as a commission. And that's because you essentially sold it. So you're selling products that aren't actually yours and getting paid as if they're your products.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Now, if you want to learn how to do this in full, I'm going to direct you to the course that I personally took. And I am affiliate marketing right now because I'm an affiliate for this product. But head down to the link below in the description. It will take you to a video where it explains how I do this step by step. And then it will offer you a course that is $7, which is like £5.30. But if you want to get started, it's really worth it. And you've got to think of it as like an investment because you're investing in your knowledge to then make you more money. Now, if you still have no idea what I'm talking about with affiliate marketing, there'll be a video that pops up top right of your screen like a little tab. Click on that, it will take you to a video that I made that explains how to get started step by step. So go watch that and then come back because you don't want to miss the rest of the video and what I'm going to be talking about. Now, why is affiliate marketing a good way to make money online? One, because you could be any age to do it. As long as you know what you're talking about and you're passionate about it, people will listen to you. It's really not age dependent. Plus, you're literally getting paid for talking about what you like and then just directing people to a product that you're talking about. And if you've tried affiliate marketing before and you didn't enjoy it, it's probably because you picked the wrong niche. A fashion nova would pick a fashion niche because they can wear the clothes and then say, go buy these clothes that I'm wearing, and enjoy doing it, if you know what I mean. Plus, if you're worried about the identity aspect of people seeing you and you're talking to a camera, you can do this completely anonymously, and I explain it in the video that you saw top right of your screen. So yes, you can create your own small business, which literally consists of 4 steps. Finding a product, signing up to be an affiliate, deciding your promotion strategy and how you're going to put it out there on social media, and then building a funnel and an email sequence basically to just collect customers and make more money, make more money, make more money. But I do explain that all in the video, so please go watch that. So this business model is simple, it's sweet, and it can really open up your world to entrepreneurship and what it all consists of. Now, the third way to make money through TikTok is by building a brand. Now, if you have no idea how to actually grow your following in order to build a brand, I'll explain that shortly, so please stay tuned. And I'll explain the strategies that I use to build my following from 0 to 58,000+ followers in a matter of months. Now, when building an entire brand on TikTok, there's a few rules that you sort of have to stick by in order to keep that consistency. Number 1, when you make your account and you start posting, you sort of have to stick to a specific niche, and it doesn't have to be in depth as in only posting reading stuff, only posting financial stuff, but stick to a specific sort of genre. Because in sticking with a specific niche, your followers know to come to you and what you're actually talking about. Plus, it's easier to get sponsorships as brands will come to you knowing what you're talking about. If you're talking about different random niches, brands are going to get confused and not know if they should come to you or not. And like affiliate marketing, please pick a niche that you love so it doesn't feel like a job and it feels like you're just having fun doing it. And the second rule is post content for you. Post what you actually like and then the money will shortly follow. This is so you don't get weared out or burned out a few months down the line, and it's really sustainable and you can just keep doing it years and years on. Because if you're posting content every single day, you're going to get burned out really, really quickly. It's going to feel like a chore and you're going to lose the love for TikTok overall. So don't get hooked up in the likes and the followers, as of course that's important, but building a sustainable brand is more important for you. So that's the way to do it. Post content on TikTok, not because of the creator fund, but because of sponsorships and monetization in the future. And don't think this is so far away. Don't think you have to get hundreds of thousands of followers to start getting sponsorships and paid by brands. When I had 17,000 followers, an ambassador for a company that was reaching out to me about their trading platform and offering to sponsor one of my videos. And when you get that first sponsorship, it will literally fuel the fire for you to keep going on. So just wait for that moment and keep grinding. So like I said earlier, when building your TikTok, there's a few simple tips and tricks that you can stick by that help me grow my following, so I'm going to share them with you now. Just like every other social media platform, TikTok has an algorithm, and if you stick to the algorithm, TikTok will help boost your content because they like what you're doing. And remember the key rule, TikTok's aim is to keep people on the app. So if you're posting stuff that's keeping people on the app, TikTok will push your content out more to keep people on the app, which will end up making them more money. So I'll explain 4 simple tips and tricks that you can do to help do this. Number 1, post consistently from 3 to 6 times a day. I know that does seem like a lot, but if you post once a day, you have 1 chance of blowing up during that day. If you post 6 times a day, you have 6 chances of blowing up during that day. So it's sort of like if you post 10 times, you have 10 chances of blowing up that day. And all it takes is for one video to blow up to really kickstart your whole career. And if you're completely stuck on content ideas after posting 6 times a day for like a week or so, just take a day out, do some research, get some ideas, write them down, and then attack and deliver those ideas, rinse and repeat. Number 2, try and post consistently and around the same time each day. TikTok rewards this as you're keeping their customers on the platform, which will then benefit you. And it doesn't really matter what time you post, because whether it's 1 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, there's people all around the world that can see your content. But if you're from the UK, what I find works best for me is posting from 3 PM onwards, because I just tend to get more views and more reach. Number 3, try and find an equal balance between viral content and helpful content. This is important as you want to post viral content to get the eyes to your page, but you also don't want to overdo it with clickbait and shit posts, because then you get followers and they sort of see there's no value. If you post viral content and helpful content, they'll come for the viral and stick for the helpful, if that makes sense. And if there's too much helpful content, people do see it as boring, which TikTok doesn't like, because if people are watching 2 seconds of a video and then scrolling on, TikTok will say, people don't like that video, I'm not going to push out anymore. So you have to find a balance between the 2. Number 4, you have to try and catch the audience's attention within the first 3 seconds of the video. People have such a short attention span and they'll just keep scrolling. But if they see a video that really hooks them in, then they'll keep watching. And TikTok rewards watch time. As more of the videos watched, TikTok will see, oh, these people actually like this video, I'll push out more so more people can say on TikTok, blah, 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 make TikTok more money. So really trying to hook people on your content. There's different techniques you can use and you can find them all over the internet. So that is not only how to grow your TikTok, but how to make money because you grew your TikTok. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. If you did, hit the like, hit subscribe, and stay here for more financial content or entrepreneurial content or making money online content. You get the gist. I'll be bringing more content out like this, so don't miss a video. Hit the notification bell. All my socials are down below. If you want to message me, do so. I'll get back to you ASAP. And thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.